Hello everyone, welcome to the class. In this class, we will look for the parametric functions in differentiation. See, differentiation is very important topic for all the AP students, the students who are preparing for AP calculus, AB and BC. So in both of them, AB and BC, AP calculus, this differentiation is very important. And today in this class we will look for one very important topic from the derivative, that is parametric functions. How to do derivative of parametric functions. So without wasting any time, let's go straight to the topic. So our topic is derivative of parametric functions. So basically, what is parametric functions? So see, usually we have seen the functions like this, and we have done their differentiation. But parametric functions means, see, in normal functions y and x both are related, both are dependent on each other. But in what happens in parametric functions, x is given like in terms of a perimeter. X is given in terms of a perimeter, and that perimeter is I think we need to change the I think we need to change the background. Okay, so give me a slight time. Okay, I think this is more clear. Yeah, so what I was telling, that in parametric form, like x is given and y is given, but they are not dependent on each other. They are given in terms of a separate perimeter. They are given in terms of a separate perimeter, and I think there is some issue in the class. What is the issue? I'm not able to figure out. Now, give me 1 second. I think there is some issue in the class due to some software settings. There is some issue, but I think that will change soon, and we can continue the class. I think this yellow will work or no? Yeah. Now it's perfectly fine, and if I can reduce the brightness also. Yeah. So we were talking about parametric functions, and normally in normal functions y and x both are given in terms of each other. But in parametric function, suppose a parameter we have. See, now what is a parameter? Parameter can be any term like t especially, and parameter can be like any angle theta. So basically, what is a parameter? Parameter is a term. For example, t is there, theta is there, and x and y both are given in the terms of t. So suppose x is t square and y is 2t. So in parametric form, parametric functions, what will happen is x is also given in terms of a perimeter and y is also given in terms of a perimeter. So both of them are given in terms of some perimeter. The perimeter may be t, the perimeter may be some angle theta, or maybe it can like maybe some more term, but x and y both will be given in terms of that perimeter. And now they can ask you two questions. First question is first question is how to find dy by dx, and the second question is how to do the double derivative. These are the two questions, how to find them. One question is how to find dy by dx, and one question is how to find its double derivative. Both of them they can ask from us that we can find. Okay, so how to find dy by dx, this is one important thing, and how to find that double derivative, this is another important thing, based on the parametric form. In the parametric form, x is given in terms of t, y is also given in terms of t, and we need to find the derivative and double derivative. Okay, so how to do this? Fine. X is given in terms of t square, in terms of a parameter, that is t square, and y is also given in terms of t. So they can ask two questions in AP calculus. They can ask you to find the dy by dx, and they can also ask you find the d square y by dx square. How to do this? So now for that, what we will do, the x is given in terms of t square. So what we will do, we will differentiate this x in terms of t. So it will be dx by dt. We will differentiate the x in terms of t because x is given in terms of t. Similarly, this y also we will differentiate in terms of t, so it will be dy by dt. So x separate we have to differentiate in terms of t, and y also separately we have to differentiate in terms of t. So what is t square? How to do the differential of t square is very basic. It will be 2t, power will come ahead, 1 power subtract. What is derivative of 2t? It will be 2. So, and one important thing that you have to understand here, that the t differentiation right now we are taking as 1, because in this x also we are differentiating in terms of t, and in y also we are differentiating in terms of t. So t derivative will be 1. Okay, so here 2 is constant, t derivative is 1. All right, so now what we need to do, what we need to find dy by dx. So what we will do, we will divide this. Suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2, so we will divide this dy by dt by dx by dt. What we need to do, this y derivative and this x derivative, we will write the y derivative in the numerator, x derivative in the denominator. We can find the answer. So the answer will be 2 upon 2t. It will be 1 by t. So by this way we can find the derivative of parametric functions or parametric forms. And so basically we have seen what is a parametric form. Parametric form is a form in which x is given in the form of a parameter, y is also given in the form of a parameter, and we need to find dy by dx. So what we will do, we will find dx by dt, we will find dy by dt, and then we will divide the y term with the x term. That much we need to do to find the answer of all these questions. Alright, so this is the first way. Now second, they can also ask us to find the double derivative. This is also very important. Single derivative is easy, but how to do the double derivative? And in double derivative, most students do one very very simple mistake. In the second derivative, when they ask you to find this, some students do very silly mistake. And what is the mistake? Let me tell you. Okay, so what is the second derivative? So now some students will say that we have the first derivative. Yes, first derivative is 1 by t. Now how to do the second derivative? So like almost all students will say that we will directly do it second derivative. That is very easy. Now tell me, what is meaning of 1 by t? 1 by t meaning is t power minus 1. Okay, so now if you do its double derivative, if you do its double derivative, then power will come ahead, like minus 1 will come here, and we will subtract 1 power, so it will be minus t power minus 2. Now this is the answer, and most students will say yes, this is the answer and no issue. But there is an issue here. In this answer we have some issue. And what is the issue? The issue is this, that see, earlier x is given in terms of y, t, y is also given in terms of t. So like for you can see here, when we were trying to find dy by dt, 2 is constant and t derivative is 1. T derivative is 1. I understand t derivative is 1. Why? Because we are doing differentiation in terms of t. But what we need to see here, that here we are not when we are doing the double derivative, then we are not doing the derivative in terms of t. We are not doing, we are doing in terms of x. So this is the most important point, that many students make mistake in this point, that when we are trying to find the double derivative, they try to think that t derivative will be 1, but it is not true. T derivative is 1, but only when we are doing like dx by dt, then t derivative is 1, and when we are trying to find dy by dt, then t derivative is 1. But in normal case, in this second case, when we are trying to find the double derivative, it is not 1. The t derivative will be dt by dx. T derivative will be dt by dx. Now you can say how it is dt by dx. Okay, tell me, what is derivative of y? Usually the derivative of y is dy by dx. dy by dx means we are differentiating this y with respect to x. Similarly, t derivative will be dt by dx, because we are differentiating this t with respect to x. So this very important point we need to remember, then, that whenever we will find the double derivative, at that t derivative will not be 1. We have to write it separately as dt by dx. So now you can tell me the answer. What is the answer? Now we can easily solve. It will be minus 1 by t square, and this dt by dx term we will find from here. from here you can see dx by dt is given, but we need to find dt by dx. It means dt by dx, it means reciprocal of this, so it will be 1 by 2t. So the final answer is minus 1 by 2t cube. This is the answer. The answer will be minus 1 by 2t cube. Okay, so this is the way to solve the derivative of differentiation of parametric functions. So this is how we can solve this. So I think the theory is completed. So in this class what we will do, let me first of all I'll tell you the theory that I have already told you, and now after the theory we will do some practice how to solve the questions of this type, parametric functions. So I think the theory part is clear, that the function will be given in terms of a parameter, x will be given in terms of a parameter like t or theta or whatever, y will also be given in terms of a parameter. We need to find, they can ask two type of questions, whether they can ask find dy by dx, or they can also ask find double derivative, how to find the single derivative. Just first of all find dx by dt, dy by dt, simple derivative, t differentiation will be 1, and then we will divide the first part with the second part, we'll get the dy by dx, and then when we try to find the double derivative, one of the most important thing that we need to take care of is the t differentiation will not be 1 now. It will be 1 here, but it will not be 1 here. When we are trying to do the double derivative, the t derivative will be dt by dx. This is the most important thing. Fine. So now we have some questions also. So I think again we have to change the background. Yeah. So this is the first question, and I'll solve it for you. How to solve this? First question, x is given in terms of a t, that is log t. Y is also given in terms of t, that is t square minus 1. So basically t is parameter here, and they want us to find double derivative. Double derivative means d square y by dx square at t is equal to 1. At t is equal to 1 means that first of all we'll find the double derivative, and after finding the double derivative the value of t will put here, that is 1. So let's solve it step by step. What is step 1? See, in this question x is given, x is log t, so we will find from here dx by dt. What is dx by dt? Log t derivative is 1 by t. We know the derivative of log, whatever is inside the log that will come in the denominator. Log t derivative is 1 by t. Similarly, what is y? Y is t square minus 1. So we will find from here dy by dt. So dy by dt is 2t. Dy by dt is 2t. So to find the dy by dx, what we will do? We will divide this dy by dt with dx by dt. So just divide dy by dt with dx by dt, and you will get 2t upon 1 by t. So it is 2t square. It is 2t square. Fine. So this is the half of the question, single derivative we have found. Now they are asking for the double derivative, so you will easily can find double derivative, d square y by dx square. What is derivative of 2t square? 2t square derivative will be 4t, because power will come here, one power is less. But again very important thing, don't miss out that this t derivative we also have to do. T derivative will be dt by dx. So it will be 4t, and dt by dx part we can take from here. That was dx by dt, and we need dt by dx means reciprocal of that, so it will be again t, so it will be 4t square. This is our final answer. And now they are saying that t value we have to put like 1, so if we put 1 here it will be 4 is our answer. 4 is our answer. So this is very important step. First of all, I have tell you the theory, and then we have applied one question based on the theory, that you will find dx by dt, you will find dy by dt, divide them, you will find dy by dx. And to find the double derivative, what we need to do, again do its differentiation. And the most important thing is this t derivative will not be 1 here. When you do the derivative second time, it will be dt by dx, and dt by dx you can find its value by doing its reciprocal. Yeah, so this is how we can solve this type of question. So answer is basically this, D option is our answer. I think you can understand the question. Yeah. Moving on, next question. So in this class we have 5 questions. One we already have discussed, and 4 more we will discuss now. And this is second question. X is given in terms of theta here, a sine theta, and y is given in terms of theta, that is b cos theta. Now students will ask that in this question, what is the perimeter? See, the perimeter is that constant which is same in both of x and y. So you can see a is not same in both of them, b is not same, but theta is same in both of them. So the term that is same in both of them, that is the perimeter. So now tell me how to solve this question, how to find the double derivative. And so I'm giving you 1 minute for that, and try to solve it and tell me what will be the answer. Okay. So second question we have x value is given a sine theta, and y value is given b cos theta, and we need to find its double derivative. Okay. So first of all, what we will do is x is given a sine theta. All right, x is given a sine theta. We'll find its derivative, and y is given b cos theta. So now from here we will find dx by d theta. What is dx by d theta? A will remain, a is a constant that will remain same, so sine theta derivative is cos theta, fine. And cos theta derivative will be 1 because we are doing a differentiation in terms of theta. Similarly here it will be dy by d theta, so it will be b, and cos theta derivative is minus sine theta. So this is step number 1. Now how to find dy by dx? We just divide this y term, that is minus b sine theta, with this x term, that is a cos theta. So this is our small answer, minus b by a, and sine by cos is 10. So this minus b by a 10 theta, this is our one time answer, but we need to find its double derivative. What is the double derivative? Again we have to do its differentiation. It will be d square y by dx square again. So now minus b by a is constant. What is the derivative of tan theta? Tan theta derivative is secant square theta. Most students will say that this is the answer, and they will go for which option? Oh, no option is there. But in the exam what they can do, suppose from option number A we remove this square part, so this will match with this, but this is not the correct answer. This is not the correct answer, because what we need to do is minus b by a is constant, tan theta derivative is secant square theta, but we have to do the derivative of theta, that is d theta by dx. So this is the most important thing that you need to remember. So it will be minus b by a secant square theta and d theta by dx. D theta by dx you can find from here. D theta by dx you can find from here. Just do its reciprocal. So it will be a cos theta. So this is the answer, minus b upon a and a square, and this cos will go there, so it will be minus b by a square cos cube theta. This is the answer, minus b by a square, cos will go there, cos cube theta. So I'm really sorry, secant cube theta, not cos cube, secant cube. Yeah, secant cube. Cos will go in the numerator, it will make secant. Secant square is already present, secant square and another secant is secant cube. So the answer will be minus b upon a square minus b upon a square secant cube theta. This is the our answer. So you can say that D option is our answer. Yeah, fine. Moving on, third question of the class. In this question, x is given, y is given. Again, we need to find. So I think this is a very good approach to solve these type of questions. First of all, in starting 5 minutes, I have tell you all the theory about all this. That what is the theory of parametric functions, and after knowing the theory, we can directly solve the questions. 5 questions I have for you, and you can solve the questions. 2 questions we already have solved, and this is the third question. X is given cos 2t and y is given sine square t. How to solve this question? Yeah, you can try, and then I'll also try and tell you the answer. X is given cos 2t, y is given sine square t. So how to find the answer? Yes, x is given cos 2t. This is x, and y is given sine square t. So again we have to find the double derivative. So first of all, to find the double derivative, we will find the single derivative first of all. So how to find the single derivative? The parameter is t here, so it will be dx by dt. So okay, first of all, what is the derivative of cos? Cos derivative will be minus sine, and 2t derivative will be 2, so it will be like this. Okay, so from here, what is the derivative of dy by dt? It will be first of all, this sine has power, we will do derivative of the power. This 2 will come here, and 1 power less. This is derivative of the power, and then sine t derivative we also have to do, that is cos t. So this is dy by dt. Okay, and what is 2 sine t cos t? This is basic trigonometric formula. This is sine 2t. So now find dy by dx. Dy by dx will be what? It will be this term divided by this term. So it will be sine 2t divided by minus 2 sine 2t. So it will be like minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 is its derivative. And now if they ask you find its double derivative will be what? Minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 is a constant, and constant derivative will be 0. So its answer will be 0. Fine. So it is A option is correct. So now I'm thinking that I'm hopeful that you can solve these type of questions if they came directly in AP exam. And believe me, AP exam, AB and BC calculus, AP calculus, AB and BC, both of them have these kind of questions. They can come in your May exam. Okay, fine. Now 2 questions are left. Moving on, question number 4. How to solve question number 4? Yeah, x is given a secant cube theta, y is given a tan cube theta, and we need to find dy by dx, and at theta is pi by 3. So first of all, we have to find the derivative. After finding the derivative, we will put the angle pi by 3 means 60 degree. And in this question they are not asking for you asking you to solve the go for the double derivative. No, only single derivative is enough in this question. So how to solve this? X is given a secant cube theta, and y is given a tan cube theta. X is given, y is given. Yeah. So from here we will solve for x, dx by d theta. So this 3 will come here, a is constant here, and power will come. So 3a secant square theta, and now this is the derivative of only the power. We have to do derivative of secant also. So secant derivative will be secant theta tan theta. Okay, so now similarly here also dy by d theta. A is constant, and how to do its derivative? So 3 will come ahead, and 1 power less, 3 tan square theta. Tan theta derivative is secant square theta. Okay, so now what we will do, we will find dy by dx. We will find dy by dx. So what is dy by dx? Just divide this y term with this x term. So 3a tan square theta and secant square theta. Sorry, divided by this 3a secant cube theta and tan theta. So if you divide both of them and just cancel what are the common terms, in the numerator denominator. So 3a will get cancelled out, secant will get cancelled out, so in denominator 1 secant will be left, and 10 will be cancelled out. In numerator 1 10 will be left. And now just put the values. Theta we have to put after the differentiation. Some students also say that this theta we can directly put in before differentiation. No, that's not correct. Before differentiation you will not put, you will put after the differentiation. And after the differentiation, what is tan 60 degree? Tan 60 is root 3. And what is secant 60? Secant 60 is reverse of cos 60. Cos 60 is like 1 by 2, so it will be 2. So this is the answer, root 3 by 2. Tan 60 is root 3 and secant 60 is 2. Secant 60 is cos 60 reciprocal. Cos 61 by 2 and secant 62. So this is the answer, yeah. So this is the final answer, root 3 by 2. Fine. Moving on, last question of this class. This is the fifth question and the last question. How to solve this? In this question, x is given 1 minus t square and 1 plus t square, and y is also given 2t by 1 plus t square. We need to find dy by dx. See, if you apply the basic, this is a very important question. If you apply the basic formula, what is the basic formula? Basic formula is you will find dx by dt, you will find dy by dt, then divide them. See, that is also a good approach. But for this question, I'll tell you one smart approach, how to solve this question smartly. Yes. So what you will do is, see, if you look at x, what is x? 1 minus t square, 1 plus t square, this is x. If you look at y, what is y? 2t by 1 plus t square. What I'm trying to tell you is these two, x and y, are format of a very popular formula, very special formula. In this question, if in the place of t, if I put tan theta, in the place of t, if I put tan theta, so what x will be? 1 minus tan square theta and 1 plus tan square theta, right? And what is the value of y? It will be 2 tan theta and 1 plus tan square theta. Yes. So now after, if we have put t value is tan theta, so after putting this, x is converted in this and y is converted in this. And now what is this 1 minus tan square, 1 plus tan square? This is a very, very important and famous formula of trigonometry, that is, this is cos 2 theta. And similarly, what is this? This is sin 2 theta. This is this is cos 2 theta, this is sin 2 theta. And see, whenever we have sin and cos, we know a very basic formula, that sin square theta and cos square theta is 1. Yes, everyone knows this. Sin square theta, cos square theta is 1, and this formula is true for all the values of theta, but the theta value will be same. So in this question we can see these are not theta, this is we have 2 theta, so here also we'll write 2 theta, here also we'll write 2 theta. So cos square 2 theta plus sin square 2 theta value is 1. Yes. So now what is cos 2 theta? Cos 2 theta is directly equal to x, so it will be x square. Sin 2 theta is directly equal to y, so it will be y square. So x square y square is equal to 1. And you know, this is what is this? This is the equation of a circle. This is the equation of a circle whose center is 0 0 and radius is 1. So they can also ask that what is the equation of this like what is the this equation is represent what geometrical figure. Okay, so now we need to find our answer. Now do its differentiation, only in one step we can find the answer. So y square derivative will be 2y and dy by dx. X square derivative will be 2x and one derivative will be 0. This 2 will get cancelled out by going there. So dy by dx will be equal to minus x by y. This is our answer. So we can find the answer only in one step by doing all this. Very less calculation is there in this question. If you follow the traditional approach, so in traditional approach you have to apply the long method, by how to find its derivative. You have to apply the quotient rule, here also quotient rule, then you have to divide, and then again the answer they were asking in terms of x and y. Answer they are asking in terms of x and y, so it means that if you apply this smart approach, so in very less calculation you can tell the answer. So the answer of this question will be minus x by y. Yeah, this is the answer. So this is how we can solve these type of questions. Okay, so I think this is a very quick class, and in this class we are more trying to do a one topic, that is a parametric form. And parametric form topic I have taught you in like theory, and at the same time we have solved 5 important questions based on this parametric form. So I think this is enough for today, so we'll meet in the next topic. So please subscribe this channel for AP calculus classes, AP calculus AB and AP calculus BC, and all the best for your future exam, like in whatever month and year you will give this exam. So all the best, take care.